Stop scrubbing your grout with harsh chemicals and start steam cleaning like a pro. You need the Phueut Pressurized Handheld Multi-Surface Steam Cleaner. This little beast is a total home transformation tool. First off, it uses pressurized natural steam, meaning you kill bacteria and lift grime without spending a fortune on toxic cleaners. Soap second, you get a massive 12-piece accessory kit included. Whether it is your car upholstery, greasy kitchen stovetops, or those impossible-to-clean floor corners, there is an attachment ready to go. Automobile third, it is incredibly versatile and portable. Lightweight enough to carry anywhere, but powerful enough to blast through deep-seated dirt that has been sitting for years. Why waste hours scrubbing when this does the heavy lifting in seconds? 3 o'clock, do not wait for the next mess to happen. Get ahead of the game right now. Click the link in my description to grab yours on Amazon before the price jumps back up. Trust me, your home will thank you.